Hey everybody, Steve Burns here. So we can save preferences for every single program in our operating system uniquely. And once you get that all organized in your Wacom tablet properties, well then we can save them out and we can actually install them on another computer. We're going to accomplish that using the Wacom Desktop Center. Now you're going to find that in your program folders, in the Wacom program folder to be exact, and just look for Wacom Desktop Center. Now here it's going to give you kind of a rundown of your devices and what you can do. If I target the first one, it shows me that I have the Cintiq 22-inch. You guys are probably going to have your Intuos Pro listed there. And then on the right hand side, you can access documentation or on getting started, tutorials, help, and so forth. Just come down here and take a look at these. You can actually target your touch settings, your pin settings, pin calibration, express keys, and all of that can also be accessed from here directly. We want to back up anything, then let's go back up all of our settings that we saved to our Wacom tablet properties right here. I can do a local backup or I can do a cloud backup. In other words, Wacom gives you cloud space so that you can back up this driver, your settings, so that if you're anywhere else in the world and you're working on somebody else's computer that has a Wacom tablet, you can go to your settings and bring them in and work the way that you have always been working on your system. So if I go to the top here, if I simply click backup, it's going to ask me where do you want to back up to. Save it to your thumb drive or to a local online server. And for those who are educators out there, you probably have a local server online that all your instructors are going to be able to access. So this is going to be good for that, for setting up your basic driver settings and then saving it to your central server. If you want to take the drivers that you saved to your thumb drive or your server and install it onto that existing computer, that's what restore is for. So we're going to target restore and tell it where to go get the driver and go ahead and double click on it and then install it. I'm not going to do it because I have my system set up exactly the way that I want. So I'm going to target cancel. Now, if you have problems with your Wacom tablet or the driver behaving properly, in other words, your pressure sensitivity isn't working in the way it should, or something seems a little bit odd, then that's what reset settings is for. Target that, it'll reset everything back to factory default and you're good to go. Cloud backup, self-explanatory. The exact same thing as local backup, where the local backup allows you to restore and backup from a local drive or an external drive. Cloud backup is simply allowing you to backup and restore from a cloud drive, from the Wacom cloud service. All right, now, say for example, there could be updates that you're not aware of. Oftentimes we can go back to Wacom.com, look for the updates, or we can go to this Wacom Desktop Center and target update. It's telling me that my driver is up to date. It's telling me the device that I'm using. We can go directly to the store. If I click on the store, all right, then the information for the store should pop up here. Give it just a little bit of time and we should, there we are, there it is. So basically it's accessing the online website, and you can come through here and navigate your way around, okay? And of course support, if we target support, this is going to give you any information, take you directly to the drivers and anything having to do with information on support, okay? All right, so that's your Wacom Desktop Center. That's going to be very handy.